Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Mega Menu in WordPress. First, you'll need to install the Max Mega Menu plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Simply search for it in the Plugins section, click Install Now, and then Activate. Once activated, you'll find a new Mega Menu option in your WordPress admin sidebar, ready for configuration. This initial step is crucial for unlocking all its powerful features. Now, let's build your first Mega Menu. Go to Appearance, then Menus, and select the menu you wish to enhance. You'll see a new Max Mega Menu checkbox. Enable it. Then, hover over any menu item to reveal its Mega Menu settings. Here, you can transform a standard drop-down into a rich, multi-column layout, adding depth and functionality to your site's navigation. Customizing the look and feel is next. Navigate to Mega Menu, then Menu Themes. Here, you have extensive control over colors, fonts, and spacing, allowing you to perfectly match your website's aesthetic. You can choose from several layout options, like a 2-column grid or a 3-column layout, ensuring your menu is both functional and visually appealing. Experiment with these settings to create a unique user experience. Finally, let's explore some advanced features and best practices. You can embed any WordPress widget directly into your Mega Menu, adding things like recent posts or contact forms. Remember to configure responsive settings so your menu looks great on mobile devices. For optimal performance, try to keep the number of heavy images and complex elements to a minimum. These tips will help you create a powerful and efficient navigation system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.